Okay, YouTube. This is Eagle Feather with Shadowrunners Airsoft. This video will be going on 2 YouTube accounts. It'll be going on RuneScape Guru and Shadowrunners 1698. Now, this review, it's not a review, it's just a quick video saying that our new forum is www.srat1.forummotion.com. There will be a link in the description and a caption in the video. That is our forum for the Shadowrunners Airsoft team. I'm currently the team leader. We have 3 administrators. We have 1 leader, me, 2 administrators, and 3 moderators. So, we are sponsored by airarmory.com. Amazing website. You should always shop at airarmory.com. It is the absolute best website that I have found for airsoft guns. It doesn't have any low-powered AEGs. If you want to do a low-powered AEG, I would suggest going to Screaming Eagle Airsoft. Akododarick, you can find him on YouTube. He posts excellent reviews. Just excellent reviews. crazyNCman and Milspec Airsoft. crazyNCman posts amazing reviews, and Milspec Airsoft is a very good site. It doesn't have any low-powered AEGs, but the only crazyNCman website that I use is Airsoft Answers. That is for all the airsoft talk. It's like one giant forum for airsoft, but there's AEG questions. You make an account, you post questions, and people answer back. There's AEG questions. There's reviews. There's pretty much everything about airsoft. There's tactical questions. There's tactical gear questions. What the tactical questions are. But this is the end of this video, and it is. Oh, I almost forgot. My name is not Eagle Feather no more. I changed my name, and it is now Iceheart. So, it's Iceheart here with Shadowrunners Airsoft, signing off.